I am Dr. Vijayalakshmi Aluri from Hyderabad. My recently published book on Amazon is Celebrate Your Menses. I had joined in Mr. Som Bathla's Author Freedom community about 2 years back and published 2 fiction books and non-fiction books on Amazon. Mr. Som Bathla's coaching was very brilliant and he encourages the students at every point of their author journey. So about my book, Celebrate Your Menses, it's a comprehensive guide for women and girls about menstruation, the taboos and stigmas around menstruation are dispelled by reading this book. It focuses on the physical, psychological, emotional, socio-cultural and spiritual aspects of menstruation. How the women's lives are burdened by all these myths and misconceptions, false beliefs, stigmas and taboos are discussed, and this book helps women and girls to empower and strengthen and move on in their lives and also in their careers. I request you all to buy my book. Encourage me by keeping your valuable reviews on Amazon. Thank you so much. The link is given below. Please read my book and give your review. Thank you once again.